there are a lot of people out there who don't believe that a Síneadh Fada is an important thing. And any of us who have a Fada in our name or who try to type a Fada on an official government forum, such as the SCI grant application website, to name just one, will realize that actually a lot of people don't think it's important enough to make it possible to even be able to type a Fada into their automated systems. So I had a little laugh to myself the other day when I saw a news report about some fraudsters who are finally helping us to actually put a value on a Síneadh Fada. The reason they've done that is that they forgot to use a Síneadh Fada on Éire. So these guys, they made some really high quality fake €2 coins. This is a real one, not a fake one. But one of the things they forgot to do is on the back, they forgot to put the Fada on the E. Now it's really hard to see, even with the naked eye, never mind on a camera. There's a tiny Fada on the E on Éire, as there should be. But these guys forgot to put the Fada in there. So that's one of the ways that you can spot these fake €2 coins, is that they forgot to put the Fada on the E. So at last we know a Síneadh Fada is worth €2. Who knew? Who knew? And actually, leaving out Síneadh Fadas is one of the most common mistakes that people make when typing in Irish. Because let's face it, it's actually hard to type a Fada still. Unless you have your computer set up 100% correctly, or your phone, it can be really hard to type a Síneadh Fada. But there are ways to do that. And I'll be publishing some blog posts about that in the near future, about how to type a Fada, because it actually changes regularly as well with all the computer settings that change too. So maybe that's what went wrong. Maybe these fraudsters didn't have their keyboards set up right. Ironically, if you go on folklore.ie, the dictionary website, they're actually one of the examples of Síneadh Fada in a sentence is putting the E Fada on the E in Éire. So obviously they are not folklore users either. And I think it's safe to say they're definitely not GaelGram users, because GaelGram would have actually picked up on that mistake and automatically suggested that they put the Fada back in. So maybe that's a blessing in disguise that they're not GaelGram users. But anyway, I thought that was a funny little story from the news during the week, that we can now prove categorically that a Síneadh Fada, every time you use it, is worth €2. So Sinead an tatan seo gur míle magat as féchad ar bhí sean seo. Please like and subscribe to the video and ring the bell to get notifications when my next video is out. And yeah, Sinead, so an tatan seo, cur pean de pór agus méir le méir chlór. Slán.